Welcome back everybody. So as you can see, we've got a big old chunk of maple on the lathe at the moment. We're going to start by using the Pro Size number 1 hollower and start by getting it round.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat. Every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you.
Alright, so we've now moved over to the full size rougher now.
Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom, I hope that you finally see I'm not good enough. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy?
And of course, disaster hit. We found some metal in the blank, so we're going to have to deal with that now. There we go. Let's rotate that cutter, and of course a design change. So we're going to part off just underneath the nails and start the new shape. Once again, we've got the Pro Size number 1 hollower there. And the full size rougher again, just to flatten off the bottom a bit. That's the mid-size rougher. And what we're going to do is flatten off the bottom and get ready to mark out for the tenon. There's a link in the description to where you can get a clock template. There we go, just drawing on the tenon there, and then we go back to the mid-size rougher and just make the tenon. Just coming in with the diamond in a minute, just so it matches the shape of the dovetail with the jaws. There we go.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm
And of course, everybody's favourite part, sanding. So I'll cut out a lot of the sanding so you didn't have to watch all of it. So this is just a 240. You see the mess that it made there from taking the nails out, so we're just going to get it hollowed out now. That is, of course, the Pro Size #1 hollower again.
Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine still
There's the full size rougher.
'cause I still love them all, and my heart's not to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories.
Which also acts as a depth gauge, as you can see. And we're good to get to the next step, which once again is sanding. Just putting on some methylated spirits here now, also known as denatured alcohol, just to clean off any sawdust and clean out the pores of the wood. And lemon oil. Obviously, you've got to have a bit of slow-mo when putting lemon oil on. It's amazing to see the grain pop when you put some oil on the wood. Yeah, just finishing up the inside, and then we'll get to some pictures at the end. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big old thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.